Hunter here. Today I want to show you the highest paying side hustle of 2020. It's going to be easiest ways to make money from home. Now you're going to need to stay for the whole video to be able to figure out how easy and simple it's going to be to make money in under 60 seconds. You're going to want to get yourself signed up for all of these websites that I'm going to teach you to do. And you're also going to need a computer as well as really good internet connection to be able to make the money online through this method of making money. Guys, if you do like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications every time that I upload a video. If you are looking to quit your job and make a full-time income online doing exactly what I do, if you want to know exactly how I quit my full-time job and was able to stay home with my kids and be able to travel and do all the things that I really, didn't think that life had to offer for me until I did this, check out my #1 recommendation for making money. It's a game changer. It'll really change your life. Don't be shy. Go ahead and click through. It's going to be the first link in the description below, but check it out, guys. So getting right into this video, we are going to be learning how to make money really quick and really easy. Now, beginners can do this. Anybody can do this as long as they know what to do. And if you stay for the whole video, I can show you how quick and easy it is to be able to earn some money in under 60 seconds. So we are going to be looking at a few freelancer sites. What you're going to do is become a freelancer. And if you're not sure what that is, it's going to be working for yourself and setting your own hours, your own rate of pay. And in order to do that, you're going to want to look at a couple freelancer sites. Fiverr is obviously the most well-known freelancer site. I think everybody knows about Fiverr. So go there, get yourself signed up, and join Fiverr as a freelancer. Also, there is people per hour, and it's another freelancing site. You're going to go over to the right hand corner and click freelancer and get yourself signed up for a freelancing account so you can get moving. The next one that I wanted to draw your attention to is freelancer.com. Also another freelancing site, as well as upwork.com. Now these are all freelancer sites. I highly recommend getting yourself signed up for all of them so that way you're able to obtain as many jobs as possible. Some of them get saturated. Sometimes I know everybody says Fiverr is a little saturated and don't really seem to be getting the jobs that they want to be getting, which is why I recommend to spread yourself out over a couple of sites. Now, what are we going to be doing on these freelancing sites? Now, as you can see, Fiverr has a bunch of different topics. You can do graphic design, voiceovers, translation. I know that I've done a bunch of transcription videos, logo design videos, pamphlet videos, but this one's going to be around a niche that I found not to be super saturated. There's not a lot of people selling themselves on that, as well as all the other sites at People Per Hour, at Freelancer, as well as Upwork. There doesn't seem to be that many people who are trying to freelance this certain category. So what I want you to take a look at is tag clouds. So we're just going to take a look over here. And as you can see, there are only 120 services available. If I were to check out like whiteboard animation examiners, or actually, let me find something, digital marketing. We're going to do like SEO. As you can see, there's 1,215 people doing it. Logo design, there are 3,000 people trying to do logo designs and sell their freelancing services. So the key to be able to be a good freelancer is to find something that isn't super saturated with other freelancers. So we're just going to take a look at tag clouds, which, like I said, there's only 120 available. And as most of you know, if you know anything about Fiverr, that's where you're going to find a lot of people who are trying to sell their services. It's the most well-known. So to be able to find a niche that only has 120 people selling their services, you found something good. You hit a gold mine. So what are tag clouds? As you can see, they're just a bunch of words in a shape. It looks really simple and easy, but how do I do it? I've never done a tag cloud before, and that is where this little website comes in really handy, and it's going to be wordart.com. Get yourself signed up for your free account, get yourself going. It's easy, it's really fun, and you can customize all of these shapes and settings. So what you're going to do once you get yourself over to WordArt is you're going to hit the create button. So you've signed yourself up to all of these websites and you've made your profiles, and now you have jobs coming in, and you have folks asking to make word art for you. They're trying to get tag clouds. This is when you come over to the site, and I will teach you exactly how easy it is to do. So one of the first words that you're going to put in is whatever these people want their tag clouds customized as, and I'll just put in like mother for your second word. We're going to put wife. I'm also the maid. Oops. As well as a cook. That's just how it works at our house. I'm not too sure about you guys, but that is how it works at our house. So you're going to input words, you're going to click visualize, and then you're going to customize it. So let's get into some of the shapes that you can pick and choose. You can also pick different fonts. Just scroll through, pick something that looks good to you. And we'll do this one. And you just double click on it and it'll click for you. Oh, yeah, font. There we go. Oops. There we go. And then you're going to want to pick how your words show up. So we're going to click that. We'll hit 20%, keep as is. And then you get to pick your shape. And we'll just do a heart for the purposes of this one. And then you just hit visualize. As you can see, it puts all the words into into the word art that you want it to do, the tag cloud. You can change it into anything, and it's really simple and it's really easy. And all you have to do is hit visualize, and poof, there you go. Now you can make it a little bit different, and you just have to hit save. So now it's saved. I have to have a sign up just to do it, but you're going to save it. You're going to be able to send it out to the folks that are looking for it. Now you can change the size, the color, the angle, the font, everything that you've wanted to do. When you're done with that, all you have to do is just clear it out. It's going to clear out all the words, and you can start from scratch again. You can put as many words as you want into it. Like I said, they have a bunch of different styles. They have a bunch of different layouts. They have different fonts, shapes. They have words. You can use animals, baby, birthdays. Whatever suits your customers' needs, you're going to be able to do that. Now you're going to fill in the words, you're going to do the font, you're going to do the layout and the style, and then all you have to do is hit visualize. Now mine's already empty because I cleared it out. And it's as simple as that. Now if you look over at Fiverr and you can see exactly how much people are making, obviously it's not a lot, but you're going to be getting jobs in. On every single site that I've told you, you're going to be going to People Per Hour, you're going to be going to Freelancer, Upwork, as well as Fiverr. So you're going to be able to make some money. Now, I know that people are starting at $5. You can put yourself at $10. There was a guy on here that said that he would do it for $95, which I think is a little crazy. Don't set the bar too high, or else you're not going to be able to make any sales at all. But it's really quick and easy. It's a really quick side hustle. You're not going to get rich off of doing this at all. So definitely keep that in mind, but I think it's going to be one of the things that is going to give you your first wins online, and you'll be able to make money. You can set your packages at different prices with 2-day delivery. You can have it done in like 1-day delivery, 2-day delivery, 3-day delivery. You can have unlimited revisions. You can have a couple figures. Sometimes for a premium package, they'll give a couple more figures than the random $5 package. So you're able to set your prices at whatever you want. You're going to have flexible hours and you're going to be able to bring in a little bit of extra money, especially with the holidays coming up. I highly recommend that you check this out and try this method of making money. Now, if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon for notifications for every single time that I upload a video. If you are looking to make some really serious money online and you want to be able to quit your job like I was able to and stay home, create your own hours, and work from home, check out my number one recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. And like I said, it's going to be a game changer, guys. So check that link out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.